So what do you mean by PF?
Provident
Provident fund. To whom it is applicable?
fund for employee.
Okay. Who should get registered under PF? ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಎಫ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಪಿ ಎಫ್? ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಎಫ್? ನೋ. ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪನಿನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪಿ ಎಫ್. If company is has taken PF registration, then only their respective employees will be covered under PF Act. Okay. So, to whom it is applicable? What is the condition? PF.
PF ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 members ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಂಪನಿ.
Okay.
More than
20 members. If there are more than 20 members, then mandatorily they have to get registered under PF Act. Okay. So what is the condition? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಇಫ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಓಕೆ,
is exceeding 28.
yeah, if salary is more than 15,000, then we have to deduct 1,800 rupees. This is fixed. If salary is more than 15,000, then PF deduction is fixed, that is 1,800. In case of salary is less than 15,000, then PF will be depends, that is 12%. We can't tell it is like fixed one. Okay. If it is below 15,000,
12%.
12%. More than 15,000,
1,800.
why it is like that? See, my salary is, example, I am getting like 80 to 90,000 of salary, and only 1,800 rupees I am contributing to PF, means it is too less amount, right? Why this type of scheme is rule is introduced?
However, if your salary more than 50,000 or something, 90,000 until, as your wish, you can contribute like 5,000 and so whatever the amount you want. Then in case of less than 50,000, maybe in future that amount will be help for them.
See, here we should know 2 points. Okay. First point is, according to PF, salary means basic plus DA. This is not gross salary.
Yes,
According to PF Act, salary means basic plus DA. And next point is the contribution what I have told. This is not only deducted from employee, same contribution will be made from employer also. So there are 2 types of contribution, that is from
employee
and the other one is employer. So employee also will contribute 1,800 or 12%. It depends on scenario. Same way, equal amount employer will also contribute. See, I am getting 80,000, that is only basic plus DA I am speaking. If I am getting 80,000, then they wanted to contribute more on that. 80,000 into 12% means it will be huge amount.
Yes,
Correct? So it is my interest that I wanted to contribute more to PF. So I can't put burden on employer also, because here equal contribution.
okay.
So this limit is fixed to 1,800. That's why government had made, the PF Act has made one more provision. If employee is willing to contribute more amount, he or she can contribute.
Yes,
They can top up the scheme, but employer contribution will be fixed to 1,800.
yes.
Okay, so this is what concept. So this is how the PF will be applicable. Now 1,800 and 1,800 equally it will be shared. So this amount also will be divided to some other schemes. So according to us, if 1,800 is deducted as PF, means we think complete amount will go to PF account. No. there are some more subdivisions are there, it will be transferred to those schemes also. Okay, so while coming to employee's complete contribution will be given to PF only. Okay, but while coming to employer, first provision is PF obviously. Next one EPS, EDLI. Is this visible? Okay, so PF we already know what it is, we'll come to this later. EPS, what do you mean by EPS? So this is employee pension scheme. Okay, so EPS means employee pension scheme. So to this employee pension scheme also we contribute. Out of this 12%, 8.33% we contribute to
Employee
EPS. So out of this 1800 into 8.33 means we will get how much? 1250 rupees. Okay, so out of this 1800 for EPS we will contribute 8.33 or 1250 rupees. So remaining will be given to this. Okay, for PF we are contributing 3.67%. What is this EDLI? Already 12% is already covered. 3.67 plus 8.33 is equal to 12%. But here also for EDLI also we contribute 0.5%. So what is the total? 12.5. But actually what I am telling, only 12% is the contribution. Correct? This will be additional one will be paid by employer. Other than this 12%, this 0.5 will be paid by the employer. EDLI means Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. Okay. So you have already heard, we have one more concept, that is ESI.
Yes.
Employee State Insurance. What is that?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಅದು ಆದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೊಡೋದು.
It is nothing but a health
Health
insurance.
insurance.
It is a health insurance, right? Again, why this one more insurance? Already we have one more scheme, ESI. Purely it is for health insurance. Again, PF has provided one more scheme, that is EDLI, Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. That means this is life insurance. That is health insurance. Okay. So this is life insurance. Here, this 0.5% or 75 rupees per month will be contributed, and complete 75 rupees will be paid by
Employer.
So employer will contribute 12.5%. We will contribute 12%. Okay. So PF is already, we know how this will act. Coming to this EPS. So what we are contributing for EPS, no? This amount we will get in written as pension. Once we get retired, we will get that amount as pension, lifetime pension we will get. So in this EPS, if we wanted to get that pension means there are some certain conditions. First condition is we must get registered under this PF. Obviously, if we are under PF means these two will be automatically covered. Okay. Next one is minimum 10 years we have to work under this PF. That means it doesn't mean in same company we have to work for 10 years.
Yes.
I can switch on, but those companies must be covered under PF factor. Okay, then only this EPS will be covered. How many years we have to work?
10
years. Okay, so next, if we work for 10 years and later after when we get retired, I told that we will get a pension. According to this EPS, or which is covered under EPF Act, the retirement age is two limit they will give. One is 50. And that once the person crosses 50, So he can get the pension. Okay, that we will call it as early retirement. One more option they will give, that is 58. According to PF Act, retirement age is 58 years. That we will call it as regular retirement. But normally, as per our knowledge, what is the retirement age? 60. So here what they have given, 50, 58, 60 is also there. But what happens if you get retired according to this PF regular retirement, means whatever the scheme, as per scheme, whatever the pension is there, we will get that amount. But they will give one more option, that if you take retirement in the year of 60, you will get additional 4% interest per annum. If you leave that 2 years pension and again you are taking from 60 means, you will get 4% additional interest. If you are getting retirement at the age of 50 means, the difference between 58 and 50, what the interest percentage will be there, that will be decreased. Okay, but you are taking a regular retirement at the year of 50 means, whatever the normal scheme is there, as per that you will get the pension. But you are taking retirement after 60 means, you will get additional 4% interest per annum. Okay, so this is EPS. While coming to this EDLI, this is, as I told, life insurance. If anything happens to the person, physically, if they are injured, okay, if they become physically disabled while working to the particular respective company, or they may have occurred any death, in such case, this insurance can be claimed. Okay, we can claim such insurance in Form 5F. Okay, I told that we can claim this insurance. There must be some certain amount to get the insurance, no? So to get the insurance, there is one calculation that we have to take average salary of 12 months. Last 12 months from the, if I want insurance, I am claiming insurance in the month of this November means last 12 months salary. Okay, that is according to PF salary means basic plus DA. So that must be, that we should calculate 12 months average salary. Okay, so 12 months average salary into 30. This is what the formula to calculate EDLI. So once we calculate 12 months average salary into 30, whatever amount we get, no, that is what the eligible insurance. Okay, eligible insurance. Then if my basics and basic plus DA is more means, I will get more insurance, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So again cutoff is there. The maximum limit to get this is 7 lakh. Maximum we can get only 7 lakh. 7 lakh. Okay. So if the person who is getting less salary, example is of 10 to 15,000 will take, for them they will get only less amount.
Yes, ma'am.
For this purpose, what government did, decided to give some bonus. Okay, if example their insurance became 5 lakh, okay, but maximum how much they can claim? 7 lakh. So plus bonus. So this bonus we can get up to 2,50,000. Okay. So bonus we can get up to 2,50,000. Example, my insurance became 3 lakh. Then the limit is 7 lakh. Then again I can add this 2,50,000 as bonus. This contribution will be made from government only. They will give us additional bonus. Or my insurance total amount has become 6 lakh. Then again they will provide 2.5.
No.
How much I am eligible?
For
1 lakh. So 1 lakh will be the bonus amount. So to get this, we have to fill Form 5IF. Okay, so if we fill this form, then we are eligible for this insurance scheme. Okay. And due date. We will have to file this by 15th of following month. Okay.
Yes.